First of all, the voice used in this video was created by cloning my own voice using AI, and I wrote all the scripts myself. Most agents are excellent at responding after we ask. ProActive explores the other half of useful assistance, remembering important context, noticing when it becomes timely, and offering the smallest helpful next step before the moment is missed. It is a local first, silent first skill for Hermes Agent. Real life does not arrive as one perfect prompt. A birthday appears in conversation, a deadline is buried in email, a calendar change affects a commitment. Proactive turns those signals into structured facts with source, confidence, and timing. Its default is silence. It interrupts only when evidence is strong and the help is timely. My release readiness benchmark is the mother's birthday test. When the date appears in conversation, the agent stores it as a structured fact. 1 week before, it researches suitable restaurants near the user and asks, "Your mother's birthday is next week. Have you booked a restaurant? I found a few options if you'd like to see them." The first release ends at the research shortlist. Booking remains future work because reservation systems vary by market, and every external action must stay explicit and user approved. Under the hood, Proactive separates evidence, policy, proposal, and execution. Local events are normalized and stored. Deterministic gates apply quiet hours, cooldowns, deduplication, and feedback. The runtime chooses silence, a later digest, an immediate nudge, or an approval proposal. Supported provider rights are bound to the exact payload and account context, then run only after approval. This makes proactivity observable and fail closed instead of a vague instruction to a language model. This submission is a source verifiable release candidate. Codex was my primary engineering workspace across Linux and Windows. I used it to inspect the existing repository, decompose the implementation into bounded tasks, write and refactor the Python runtime, reproduce failures, run cross-version test matrices, and audit each handoff against the specification. GPT 5.6 was the reasoning model in those Codex sessions. It helped design the separation between evidence, policy, proposal, and execution, identify fail-closed security gaps, and review fixes before I accepted them. I made the product and scope decisions and verified the results through tests, commits, and session evidence. Live provider reads and restaurant booking remain future work, not claims of this demo. Thank you for reviewing my project.